yesterday, day before yesterday, there's one finger. 2 days or 3 days ago. See how it's a little different? There's a handshake there. If it's really delicious, it's mouth-watering. Okay? This is like, it's okay. This is like, now, if you eat a lot, you can eat like this. Eat, eat, eat. You don't have to do more than 3. Unless you're Heath and you can do 5. Okay, that's fun. If you really mean it, if you really don't. Now the fine, it's fine. It could be sarcastic. Oh, that's so fun. Or it could be nice. Oh, that's fine. Okay? It's all your expression. And you should have heard something with him. Did you hear that? You should have heard in my mouth, too. There's little, you puff up your... There's something there that the deaf do that. If you watch and listen. You're so funny. I'm not. When you think of future that's really, remember this sign is also a sign for will. I will do that. But future that shows it's maybe tomorrow or the day after, and far in the future. It shows, do you see the duration? Okay, it goes up. Okay. We have 2 signs for German. We honored their language, the Germans, in Europe, and we have the American Sign Language sign for German. So, German, that's ASL. German Sign Language German is German. Okay? When you think about World War II and the helmets. Okay? Now, the careful thing about this sign for GSL, because that's their sign, can also be in ASL, horny. But a lot of people, they think about it in context of sentences. So if you're talking about German people, Germans, or German. Basically, what we've decided, we do accept their signs. Mexico and ASL says, but Mexico and Mexico is Mexico. Okay, so we sign how they sign. So if we know a sign that we use here that's like wrong, like Russian, Russia, Russia, Russia. And we used to do, now think about this, China. Okay, now, we do what they sign, China, because they, in their dresses, they have the buttons that go all the way down. So we're really kind of careful. I know there is, in Japan used to be Japan, Vietnam, so, and I don't know Vietnam. Okay, no, I know Vietnam. I know Thailand, Korea, and Thailand. So if we can change those signs, we do that. Japan for the islands, rather than this sign for the ice. Vietnam. VT. Okay.
About.
Oh, Mom. That's good. I didn't know that. Yeah, I know that one. I know. Brilliant. Yeah. Okay. Going on. Harmonize. It's like, woo, it all goes together. Just so harmonized. Now, some interpreters harmonize because you're all together. That cooperation, harmonize. When you do this, if you go forward, it's mainstream. The mainstream. See the expression? Okay. And it could be the opposite too. Now night is called tonight. Party eat is a dinner party. So when I say party eat in English, it's dinner party. Party eat. I'm peeling. I don't know if we're doing a banana. I don't know what kind of fruit I'm doing. So it has to connect with whatever you're doing, or peeling a potato, or peeling skin. Like, you got sunburned and your skin's peeling. It's true. I don't know what we're pouring around, but we're pouring something. Something you're going to drink. Okay, put in freezer.
Oh.
Depends on what kind of freezer you have. Or like that. And then you do turn around and you see all the meat just like hung up there. Let's go through that. Wait. When you think of, this is the verb freeze. Now it could be 3-hand shape or 5. Doesn't matter. But if you're talking about freezer, it's signed twice. It's a noun. So if you're going to put it in your freezer, I'm thinking about my freezer just opens like this. Put it in my freezer. And you have to think at home, it could be this kind, or it could be this kind, or this kind. It depends. So freezer is signed 2 times. That's why the 2 pluses there in your book. It shows it's noun. Okay. Second you means I agree with you. I second you. No, it means I agree. Yeah. That's my turn, your turn. Second you is different. Thank you. Serve. Server. silly sign can also mean foolish. You're really foolish or silly, you're ridiculous. Start, begin, originate, initiate, all those synonyms for begin, right there. Right there. That's starting a car. This is a sign for a little bit. Little bit.
Not to be confused.
Remember, don't want, you don't know, and don't like. Yeah, that's right. That was great. Whatever you're washing the chicken breast, however the shape is, the chicken breast, or you're washing the potato, wash the potato. If it smells good, your face should look happy. If it doesn't, it should look not happy. My dad said, "He who smelt it always dealt it." The other thing about whiff, it could be like that. It doesn't have to be this. If you're really taking a strong, oh gosh, I smell the ocean. It smells so wonderful. You're taking a big strong, or just a little bit. Whatever you're wrapping a potato. Yeah, remember this book is a long time ago. People used to put foil on their potatoes.
I still do.
Yeah.
Most people don't
I
think.
still do.
Unless you go to my house where you have the cook.